like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, hey, today I got something totally different for you, and I have a whole bunch of Temu hair pieces, different kinds, different styles. So I thought we'd just go through them, and I'm sure the links are probably been changed like everything else on Temu. So if I can find them, I'll post them. If I can't, I'm sorry. Now this is going to be a hard one for me to do because I have to do it by myself. So just bear with me here. Okay, so I got my hair, I got flyaways. I'm not worried about those today. Okay, this is a pony. It looks like that. Now, I have heard if they're too, that's odd, if they're too shiny, you can spray hairspray on them, but this one doesn't really look much shiny, much less shiny than mine. So anyway, it has this little clasp back here, maybe. Okay, it has this little clasp back here. See, and then you open it like this, just like a claw clasp, and you put it over your ponytail, I believe. And then it's got that other little thing that you can see. This is what it looks like. It's not in real well, but it's really hard for me to do this by myself. But all my friends that promised they would help me do it, it's been sitting here for like 6 months. And everybody just, oh, well, I can't, so I'm just doing it myself. But this is what it looks like. Now you can put your ponytail up higher, and it probably would be more secure. And you see, it has this thing right here, and it tightens it, so that might be better too. But right now in my head it feels very loose, but I'm sure if I were to see on my head, you can't really see the thing. Now I used to have a set of bangs and messy bun. That was great. I used to wear that everywhere. I don't know what happened to it. I think I either moved it when I changed my hair to pink, or I just threw it away. So, but I'll probably have to get me another one. And this is just where my hair's been breaking off from being in bed so much from being sick. So we're just gonna ignore that too. So anyway, there's this one. I don't know how well you can see it, but I'm gonna try to let. And then of course when you want to take it off, you just unclip it. Ouch, maybe. Got stuck in my hair. There we go. So as I said, this is something I really would have liked to have help with. But you can't complain. But I have heard if they're real super shiny like that and they look fake, to put some hairspray on it and that'll dull it back. Hold on a minute. I'm going to go get some. We're going to see. Okay, this is all I have is Aussie. But let's just spray it on here and see if it does kick it back. This is what it looks like now. Smells good. That's what it looks like after the spray. Let me comb through it. It did kick it back quite a bit. It's still wet on there. I sprayed a lot. But yeah, it did kick it back quite a bit. This makes my hair a little bit better too. So there's that one. Okay, let me see if I can get some of these flyaways gone while I'm at it. It'll make a difference in the other ones. Yeah, I'm just losing. My hair's just breaking off from being in bed so much, from being sick for so long. Okay, now let's see what else do we have. Yeah. and my friends, I've had these sitting on the couch waiting for somebody to come help me. So what do? They pick them up and just throw them on the floor. So look at this one. Kind of makes me mad, you know? Don't touch my shit. Well, they know that. I don't know, this is nothing but a big motherfucking mess. Yeah, they just made this a total mess. So I'm going to save that till later and see if I can get it out. Yeah, they don't, do anything extra, so they don't realize how hard I do work. Come here. Now see, this is one of those ones, and I'm not sure how they go. Oh, I see. See, they have 2 clips, one on either side. Now, I think this goes at the bottom, so that's what I would do. So you just basically just basically go like this. Stick your. Here, I'm gonna put this in a bun. I'm gonna put this in a bun so we can see if we can do it better. Like I said, it's a little hard to do this stuff all by yourself all the time. Okay, get off me. Okay, now I'm going to try this one. Okay, so this should go in the back. Correct. Okay, let's see how that went. It's falling off already, but we're going to just, because I'm going to go wear it for a couple minutes, so. Well, that didn't go right. Nope. Can't do this one by myself. I'm so aggravated. You know, if they wouldn't all say, hey, I'll help you. You know? That's what aggravates me. Let's see. Let me try it one more time. Now, this isn't exactly the way it goes. It would take me some more time to work with it. See, and I stuck this part in the front and it should have been in the back. So we're just going to do that for now and hide it best we can. But this is what this one looks like. As you can see, it's definitely long. And I kind of like it. I do kind of like it. I just have to get used to putting it on. See, I got this little piece right here that shouldn't show. But we're not going to worry about it because we only took 2 minutes to do it. But, you know, you'll see these girls on TikTok and things like that. And you'll see these girls on TikTok and stuff like that. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's so funny. It's cute though. I do like it. That's funny. So there's that hair piece. I want to see something since it's got this one kind of high up right now. I got these up in this. Makes me so mad. And here's the same one in all dark. It is the exact same one. Same length, same curls, everything. But it's in all black, where this one's got the streaks in it. So, yeah. So this one's exactly the same. Yep, it's got the, get this out there so you can see it. Yeah, it's the exact same, just different color. See, here's the combs, and here's the little tighten it up thing. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good, and it would look really good if I took more time. This is exactly the same, so it would probably look just as good too. Oh, and here's the, I thought it was losing hair, and no, it's the hairnet. So it did come with a hairnet. But yeah, I think those are kind of cute. I think they're very cute, especially for like social media and things. You know, I mean, I wouldn't do this a little bit, but I can't really tell. Anyway, so I'm not even going to bother with this one because it's exactly like this one, only it's all black. So it'll probably look just as cute. Yeah, she's 61, baby. Look at her trying on young girl crap. Oh, that's funny. Okay, then we gotta take this out. And I got all these free. They were on my free. This is actually kind of thick if you look at it. That's what my hair really looks like when it's long, only mine's black. So there's that. And I really do like this one. I really like it. I'm gonna figure out some way to keep from getting all mad and nicky. But, I'm waiting for the Amazon guy. He's supposed to deliver 2 things, and I only ordered 1, but I'm supposed to return the other one. So, lucky me, huh? Now this one, just got caught on my nail. Now this one is another one of those claw clips. I think I got it mostly in there. But this is just a braid. And of course this one too, you can wear high, low, whatever. I'm not real fascinated by this one, but I might be if I was. A snag on one of my nails that keeps catching. What happened to that? Oh, this ain't it, because I have no idea what this is. Or what it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't even know what this was supposed to be. I have no idea. It's going in the trash. I have no idea. Okay, then. This one. Those 2. Hold on, I got one missing. Sorry. I'm sitting on top of it all the time. Okay. Then they have these. And these, a lot of girls are wearing these now. And this looks so cute on my friend. It matched her hair exactly. And once again, I look stupid in headbands. I just look stupid in them. I don't know why. So I will give that to her. Because I'm nice. Now this is just like the other 2. only this one is red mixed in. And it doesn't have those small clips going around it. This is what it looks like. So you can see it all. It's kind of cute. Kind of cute. I mean, you have to separate it and that, but it does look cute. So there's that. Ouch. My hair about to fall out on its own. Okay, so there's that one. That's another long one. So, I'm going to do this one first. This was supposed to be for my sister, but lo and behold. Oh my, this is a full wig. This is a full wig, and it's got a lot of shine on it. So let's tap it back and draw it down. Ooh, still don't have a lot of... Shit. Okay. And this one has to go like this, but it's still not going to come out right on my hair. It's supposed to cover it all, I believe. So now y'all know what I'd look like as a blonde. Not very well. Yep, this is bad. It's way too shiny, which I could probably kick it back. It's blonde and I'm not. I was not meant to be a blonde. I've always told my sisters that. I said, why do you look so bad? I said, why do you look so bad in dark hair? And I look so bad in blonde hair, but everybody says we look alike. It makes no sense. But yeah, this is just a little bit wild overgrowth. Just a little bit wild. And I have one more, but I'm going to do it a little differently. So, hold on a minute. And now, we have our last one, and this is all red, but it's a ponytail. Okay, and then it goes against my dark. And we went goth for the occasion. What do you think? How them girls do it on those other channels. I'm like, yeah. The funny thing is, my friend, she talks about the 80s. She's talking about Boy George and Madonna and all that. And I'm like, oh, we did not have the same 80s experience. I was the one with the leather jacket and the spiked hair listening to hard rock. So we did not have the same experience. But anyway, like I said, I got all these free. So I thought, well, you might as well try it and make for a fun video. At least I think it will. And you know I had to go full glam, full goth on this. You know I had to. Anyway, come on back, like, subscribe. Oh, people need love too.